How to log out from Coinbase wallet on desktop. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out from Coinbase wallet on desktop. To do so, first of all, you need to open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Once on the browser, in the search bar, you need to type in wallet.coinbase.com. Once you have entered this URL, now press the enter button to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Coinbase wallet. Here ensure that you are logged into your account. Now once you reach to this homepage, here to log out from your Coinbase wallet, you will need to find the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you find this gear icon at the top right corner, you will need to click on it first. And once doing that, here you will find this interface on your screen. Under this manage wallet option, you will be able to see the smart wallet option. Click on this option and by doing so, you will reach to this page. Here you will need to scroll down and at the very bottom, you will be able to see sign out option. This is very similar to log out. Now you will need to click on this sign out option. Click on sign out and after a while you will see you have been successfully signed out or logged out from your Coinbase wallet. So by following these steps, you should be able to log out from your Coinbase wallet on your desktop. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.